So we've just been incredibly impressed. And I can say, as the ultimate skeptic who has never purchased an extended warranty on any car or boat in my life, this is a product that I would not hesitate to purchase. And in fact, I could not wait to purchase. And what we've done to enhance the offering for our clients is when something breaks on your boat, and it will, you call us. You don't even call the warranty company. You call us. We coordinate the repair, do the assessment, make sure that you're comfortable with the technician or the company or the vendor that's doing the repairs, manage it all the way through, let you know your boat is repaired and ready to go. And most of our offerings have zero out-of-pocket cost per repair. For older boats, sometimes it's $100 per repair out-of-pocket cost. Again, our clients aren't going to go broke because something breaks on their boat, but they are definitely going to be frustrated with the hassle. Who do I call?